GMX is a decentralized exchange on Arbitrum that lets you trade Bitcoin, ETH, AVAX, and more with up to 50x leverage. So if you want to buy GMX, I'm going to walk you through a few different examples on how to do it depending on what's best for you. So if you want to buy GMX, just go to the official website here, scroll down and click buy on Arbitrum or on Avalanche. I'm going to do Arbitrum as an example here. Sure, just click agree. Then it'll take you to this page and it shows you a list of the official places where you can buy GMX. Now on the left side of the screen here, we have the decentralized exchanges such as Uniswap, which you can now use on the Arbitrum network. And then you also have exchange aggregators such as 1inch and many others. Then on the right side of the screen, you have centralized crypto exchanges, which are more, I guess, user-friendly, easier for beginners. And you have all the popular ones like Binance, Bybit, KuCoin, where you can buy GMX. Another way to see where you can buy GMX is if you go to CoinMarketCap, go to the GMX token and scroll down here and you want to click this markets tab. And this will also list all the exchanges we just saw and some other ones in case this page here is not fully up to date. There are other exchanges, so apparently crypto.com exchange has it. It's on Poloniex, Gate.io, and the ones we saw like Binance, KuCoin, etc. Now I would confirm with these platforms that you're always trading the correct token, but this is another way where you can find out where to buy GMX. Now for this tutorial, I will do both a decentralized exchange and a centralized exchange, so use the timestamps below if you want to skip around. But starting with the centralized exchange because it's easier. If you just want to buy the GMX token and hold it, then the centralized exchange is probably the easiest way to do that and the fastest. Now Binance is fantastic, Bybit is fantastic, so is KuCoin. I'm gonna do KuCoin in this review, so let's jump right in. And the reason I like KuCoin is you can use it in any country that you're watching this from. They do not have mandatory KYC, so it's very quick to get started. You can sign up with just an email address, deposit some crypto, buy GMX, and then you can withdraw up to 1 Bitcoin per day in value without having to go through KYC. So it's very fast and they have low fees, 0.1% trading fee. But here is the KuCoin app, and in the bottom of the screen, you will just click markets, and then you're gonna search for GMX. There's one pair, and in the bottom of the screen again, you can click buy or sell. I clicked buy, and then you can create a limit order or a market order if you want it to go through instantaneously, and that's how you would buy it. And then after that, you would go to your assets tab, click withdraw, and if I put in withdraw GMX and select click network, you can see you can withdraw it using Arbitrum. The fee is $1.27 right now, or you can also do AVAX, which is also $1.27, and then you can send that to your MetaMask wallet or your crypto wallet that has the Arbitrum network set up. That's how easy it is to buy it on KuCoin. Again, you do not have to KYC at the time of this video. I just withdrew crypto from my KuCoin account yesterday, so it still does work. Now that's the easy way. Let's look at how to buy GMX using a DEX, such as Uniswap. This will get you the same result, but it's gonna take a few extra steps, and you're gonna have to have a crypto wallet and some Ethereum. Now to use any of these decentralized exchanges or to connect to the GMX website, you're going to need a crypto wallet such as MetaMask, Coinbase wallet, or any of really the popular options. And then you're going to have to add Arbitrum as a network. So by default, there's Ethereum. We also have to add Arbitrum, which I'll show you how to do in just a second. And then you need Ethereum in your account, and you can send Ethereum to your Arbitrum wallet from a centralized exchange, or you can also use the Arbitrum Bridge. But keep that in mind, if you don't have a wallet yet, I recommend just getting a MetaMask, and there's lots of tutorials on how to do that. Now let's continue. So let's do an example of how to buy on Uniswap. So you could just click the link and then it'll send you to the official page with the contract address. Now, when you do that, it gives me a warning like this. Now you can open it on Etherscan or just click I understand. However, it's showing me an unknown token because we're actually on the Ethereum mainnet. So when you're on Uniswap, you want to go in the top right-hand corner and actually just switch to Arbitrum. And then right there, it'll show you have GMX. Another tip for you guys is you can go to CoinMarketCap, search GMX, And if you want to make sure you're trading the official one, you can go right here where it says contracts and you can copy the address, which we just did. And this is the official contract address, and you can get the Avalanche one here if you need the Avalanche one. And then we would go back to Uniswap and go on the coin, and you just paste your address in the search bar here. And as we can see, that coincides with the correct GMX token that we're trying to trade. So if I connected my wallet and I just have a dummy wallet now, you can go to any of these decentralized exchanges, Uniswap, 1inch, and you just connect your wallet in the top right corner. So I'm going to click connect. In my case, I have a dummy MetaMask account set up. And when you connect for the first time, it'll ask you to do something like this. Just click next, click connect, and there we go. And now you want to make sure you're on Arbitrum. So I'm going to click this, and it's going to make me do an approval again. So I'm just going to look at that. Guess everything looks good. Click approve, click switch network. And that is the easiest way to add Arbitrum to your MetaMask wallet. So again, before this, I only had Ethereum Mainnet, and now I have Arbitrum. Another way you can add Arbitrum to your MetaMask wallet real quick is if we open this up, click the drop down, click add network. It'll take you to this page here, and then you can add networks here. And we just added Arbitrum, but if we didn't, there would be a tab here that says Arbitrum, and you just click add. So that's an alternative way to add Arbitrum to your MetaMask. But now let's go back to Uniswap. And if you want to trade or sell GMX, you can do it here on Uniswap. Now, this wallet has no funds. So to actually conduct a trade, we have to put Ethereum into our Arbitrum wallet on MetaMask. Now, there are two ways that you can do this. You can copy this address and send Ethereum into this address. You can do that from a centralized exchange, which might be easiest for most people. If that's the case, do that step right now. Or maybe you already have some Ethereum in your MetaMask wallet. What you can do is you can bridge it over using the Arbitrum Bridge. I'm gonna do that for this example. So once you're on the bridge, you will see something that looks like this, and you want to go from mainnet and send it to Arbitrum One. And you can just enter whatever amount you want. I'll just do 0.05 ETH. And as you can see on the right side of the screen, the gas fee will be about $1.50 here. And I'll just click move funds to Arbitrum One. It'll pop up my MetaMask, and I have to switch the network to make this transaction, which I confirmed. And then it'll open my MetaMask again, and it's gonna ask me to confirm. So I'm gonna click confirm. And now we have about 15 minutes remaining for it to show up. So I'll just skip forward for when it shows up. So I lost count, but that was roughly 15 minutes. And now we have some ETH that we can play around with. And if I wanted to, I could use that to go to Uniswap and make a trade. So if I go back to Uniswap now, you can see I have a balance. And if I wanted to buy some GMX, it would work just like this. And then you can see the gas fee and all that information. So that's how you do it on Uniswap. I will put a referral code for GMX below if you want to get a discount on your trading fees. And if you want to get a 5 to 10% discount, you would just click referrals and enter the referral code here, which mine is going to be RankFi. You type it in. You'll have to pay a small fee to use the referral code. However, this is what will give you a discount on all of your trades that you make on this platform. So I'll put that below, or just type it in and take advantage of that. Now, thank you for watching.